Hey everybody, Mike here with a quick tip on survival, I guess, right? So the quick tip is this. Take a piece of aluminum foil or aluminium, I think, if you're in the UK, yeah? And leave a boot print on it before you go on a prolonged hike, right? So just take a piece of tin foil, put it on the ground outside and step on it with your boot and leave a clear boot print. Now, hopefully this translates to camera. It's kind of hard because of the reflection. That is, in fact, my boot print. And you're probably wondering, why is it so important? Well, if you leave this on your dash before you go off on a hike, and let's say for whatever reason you get lost, right? The first thing that a search and rescue team will probably get notified of is an abandoned vehicle. So if they find your vehicle and they see that tin foil, first of all, they know you're on a hike, right? Because this is what hikers do. And also they have a very clear indication of what track to follow. It makes their lives so much easier, right? They can see that it's one person based on the boot print size, probably male, will have an indication of height and so forth and so on. So a very, very important thing, and it only takes a few seconds, right? So that's a quick tip from me. Let me know if you liked it. Hit that sub button if you want to see more content, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.